Hello guys, welcome to Python Guru Tech Expert channel. In this video we will see how you can enter the rupee symbol in Android phone. It is a simple process. Just click on the symbols button and long press on dollar button and you will see a small window pop up. Now you can select from these many different currency symbols. You can select the rupee symbol and you can enter this into the text editor. And I want to tell you one more trick in this video. If you want to put this cursor between guru and tag, how you can do this? Just tap on this, or there is another way you can move this cursor using spacebar by scrolling it like this. Now you can see this, it is moving character by character in this text editor. If you know any tricks like this, please mention these tricks in the comment section, or if this new to you, please let us know. That will motivate us to give you more content like this. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.